Let's build a real stateless widget from scratch. This is how Flutter UI is written. We create class WelcomeCard extends StatelessWidget. It has a final string name property passed from outside. The constructor is const, which is a best practice for stateless widgets. We override the build method. Build must return a widget. Inside build we return a card containing padding containing text. The text says welcome and shows the name using interpolation. To use this widget, you write WelcomeCard with your name in the widget tree. StatelessWidget means the widget does not manage changing data internally. If the parent passes a new name, Flutter rebuilds it. Otherwise, it stays the same. Use StatelessWidget for labels, icons, static cards, and anything that does not change on its own. Type this code in your project. Place WelcomeCard inside a scaffold body. Hot reload and see your card appear. Change the name and hot reload again. Every Flutter developer writes dozens of stateless widgets. Master this pattern first.